Hey good people, it's CC Devereaux and I am coming to show you another loose to locked episode where we take a loose natural hairstyle inspiration and I recreate it on my locks. So this is episode 2. On this episode, we're going to recreate this beautiful hairstyle from Chime. Her hair is beautiful, so I'm going to recreate this hairstyle here. Okay, so I did not wash my hair. It did get a little damp from the shower, but other than that, I didn't do anything to it. You can do this on dry hair. It's also new growth friendly, which is awesome because I don't like to retighten my hair often, as you can tell. So it looks nice even if your hair is not freshly twisted or freshly retightened. So first, I'm just gonna put a little oil, still in a little bit of that moisture. Today I am using JoJo's Hair Essence oil. I'm just going to rake that through all over. So we're just going to part it down the middle here. And I already told you guys in my last episode that my parts are not straight. I do not have straight parts, but we're gonna work with what I got and make it as straight as possible. And just gonna part down the middle into 2 sections. And we're gonna put the side that we're not using at the moment off to the side. Just gonna tuck that away real quick. Now we're going to take one of the sides and we're going to pull it into a high ponytail. I'm going to do it close to the part, not so much a low puff. I want it kind of close because the picture looks like Minnie Mouse ears. And then we're going to take a small goodie band and just put that over one good time. If your locks are shorter, you can just stop right here and just rock it as the little lock puffs, and you can add the lock jewelry at this stage. Just add it to your individual locks and that'll be so cute, just like that. But for my ladies that have a little bit more length, we're gonna keep going. Okay, so to create the fan bun, we're going to push the locks towards the back like this so that it's facing backwards. We're then going to take the locks, just make it look as uniform as you desire. Okay, so once we have them all to the back, you can see we have a little grip on them. Don't worry about these here at the top. If they're not sticking in all the way, don't worry about that. We're going to take this part here. We're going to drape a little rubber band or a big goodie rubber band over it. Just like that. Can you see it? So that gives you that fanned look. There's our locks that are just, unruly and don't want to fit up there. Just pull them around to the sides and tuck. You can always secure it with a hairpin. And then the ponytail, I know you're like, girl, we're not about to leave that out, right? So the ponytail, you're going to take that, where the rubber band is, and we're going to tuck it. Roll and tuck. Just like that. Take your hairpin and seal the deal. Okay, so I'm going to keep molding these until I get the desired look. Keep placing hairpins. You could even drape a goodie band around it if that's easier for you. If your locks are more ruly that way, whatever works for you guys. But I'm just gonna stick with these hairpins because they tend to work really well for me. Okay, so about 25 pins later, I finally got it up. And as neat as it's gonna get, I'm not a person that's huge on perfection when it comes to my hair, so this is as good as it's gonna get. All right, so we're gonna move to the other side. Same thing. Could make your ponytails a little tighter if you don't want them to look as fluffy. If you want a more precise look, you can definitely wrap the goodie band around twice. Okay, now that is done, this is good. Now I'm gonna focus on my little baby hairs. I put a little water on them off camera. I don't like to put gel and brush my baby hairs when they're dry. I like them to be a bit moist. And I like this little curly cue on the side. Just gonna brush that a little bit. And then the last step is you can place these little pretty lock jewels or braid jewels. You can place these anywhere, but Chime had them all over the bun. All right, now that those are in there, we are done. So let me show you what it looks like. All right, good people, that is the end of this episode of Loose to Locked. I hope you enjoyed. Do you think it looks like the reference photo? Let me know down in the comment section below. And while you're at it, make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend, come back, because there's going to be more episodes to this series and you don't want to miss it. All right, good people. Bye.